Hello friends, my name is Parag Saxena and I am an automation software test engineer, and I was getting the request from many students that they want to purchase the pre-recorded videos of my classes. Because of some time constraint and some financial constraint, they do not want to attend the live classes, and instead of attending the live classes they want to purchase some pre-recorded videos of my classes. So I have the videos for core Java, which is the programming language which we use to write our test cases. Then we have a Selenium with Appium recorded lectures covering the TestNG Cucumber LR report, complete testing framework videos. Then we have a API testing videos with a Postman and REST assured library. Then we have a JMeter videos for the performance testing, and we are also having the Playwright video. So this is a complete automation software course in which we are giving all the pre-recorded videos along with the notes and the examples for core Java, Selenium, Appium testing framework, TestNG and Cucumber. Along with that, we are covering API testing with REST assured and Postman, and we are also providing you the lectures for performance testing, JMeter and Playwright. So all these videos you can purchase with my technical support notes and the examples, and the quotation you can send me the request. I will share the quotation with you, or you can call me up. So in the below you can have my contact details, or you can WhatsApp me on my mobile number 9810926239. Thank you very much.